Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm sitting here with my laptop in bed, but I want to show you guys what I have here. I have this USB 3.0 capture card. So I'll show you guys what this is and how it works here. So if you've seen these things before, you'll understand what this is here. So this is see, it's got the HDMI and one should be in and one should be out. Let's see if it says it on there. Yes, HDMI in and HDMI out. So what you can do is you can go from your cable box, your VCR, your whatever device, that has the HDMI out, and then it can go into your computer and it'll also go back out to the device, so it won't take up the space. So then what you do is you'll go into the computer here. Let me do this on mine. I don't think I can show you guys necessarily. This is gonna be a tough one because I'm not allowed to show the computer. But I plug this in, see if it finds the device. It does. It says allow accessory to connect. And I will say yes. And then basically we will add sources to our scenes and stuff like that, so we can add it as a video capture device. So I use something called like what is it, OSB? Wait, I think let me see, I can't remember what it's called. What is it called? OBS. OBS. And so what that does is it allows you to capture things and stream stuff like to the internet. And so this is going to give me the ability to do that. So I can use this as one of my sources. So I can now have the source from this from my Xbox or whatever device, and I can use this as a source on my streaming. So like you see all those streamers on all the TikToks and those things there, whatever they do, they're probably using something like this. So it goes in here, they use the OBS, and then they do that, which is a free software, which is great. So it lets you video capture and show it. So that's what you want to do, is get something like this. So if you want to become a streamer, super simple, to get one of these, plug it into your computer, run the software, and you are online streaming. So very cool, nice little device, nice and small. I like the way it's a nice, small, easy device to use. And it can plug into USB-C, or if you're running USB, you have that ability as well. So I like the way it gives you that as well. I have USB-C, I have a Mac. So super cool, a little device here. And I'm gonna say super thumbs up. Pick up one of these and you'll be streaming in no time.